Ay, ambot mo. Wala mo ko kitag bird. Tingog raman sa bird akong makitaan. Ang cute. Kala ko kahoy. Yeah, I know. Did the parrot also here?
I take a picture beside the bird.
Okay. See hi.
Take a picture.
Gracie, they recognize
wait.
you as Diane, so that's why.
No, dude, don't scared. Say hi.
Take a picture.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Closer. Hello. She's very. Oh, hello. How are you? He can talk, you know. Nasi.
Hello.
Hi. How are you? Can you take a video for me also? Just do like that. No, you don't press anything. That one is already pressed. And just do like this. Aku? Nice, right? Okay. Take picture.
I stop.
Hi guys. It's a parrot. Yeah, you take picture with your mama. Your mama also have. Nah. Memories namin dito. Ito yun. Ambot, wala ko kabaluan akong pag-video mo. Ayun pala. Tuna, that's a bird. Nyak. Ambot, asa na? Australia. Oh. Ito yung buong ano niya sa mga bird. Ano yung area dito is Australian. Laughing Kookaburra. Number 1. Uy.
Yeah. Come here.
He's so cute.
Okay, go. You gotta put it on.
Come here, you want to take picture this one?
他拍这个鸟。
Hello, you good there?
后面是以前有几个那时候
No, like get closer. Smile. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. You scared? Kani dili guys, mura mig nangita ani og mga langgam nga naglupad-lupad nga way klaro. Klaro ra god pero wa man ko koy lami gid tong daghan kag makita ba. See? Mara ni siya iyang gidakon. Kana siya diha. Uy, hey, they're coming. Hello. Very train kay nila. Nag-iti siya ba? Kaya ako nga mga lalaki. Naupaw na sa problema. Uy, ayun. Uy, ayun. Ayun, ayun. Hello. 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 Hi. Hello. Hello, sweetie. Uy, ang cute nila. Hello. Why you so cute? He's so cute. Uy, can I touch you? Can I touch you? Oh. They're so cute, guys. See, look. Hello. Hi. Oh, damn. Okay.
Ew, that's
See? Okay. Oh. Oh. Hello. See, just do like this. Hi, Suchan. Get closer, Suchan. Mahadlok man siya, uy. Say hi.
hi.
They're lovers. To the two lovers. Lovers in the night.
And they